You see it?
Actually, 2 different things.
It only lasted for a second. I think I got the circulation on video. I mean, it was momentarily.
Well, what's this low cloud coming across here?
That's part of it.
The water cloud?
Yeah, that was part of it. I mean, that froth that you're seeing is actually the result of the water, is what was from the waterspout. There's still circulation right there. It's just not come down and touched. But for about 1 minute there, I had it where it just was touching it. Maybe it'll come back. No, it's a waterspout. That is ominous looking though, isn't it? Well, I mean, as soon as I saw it, I knew what it was. I just hope I caught enough circulation in it. See, that thing right there is actually the funnel. And that funnel right there is trying to come down. Right there's the funnel. It really wants to come down. There it goes. There it goes. It's headed right up into it now. See how it's rising? See it rising? That's it. There's a tip. You just can't see it coming out. It didn't stay. But that's the rotation. If you look at it, that's the rotation right there. And that's what that's trying to do. That's trying to go up, and the water's trying to come up and meet it. If you were in that water, that would be a soaking experience. Look at that. That is ominous, man. Look at that. Look at how it now meets the clouds. I mean, that is from lift. Look at that. And here comes the storm right on its heels.
honey, do these pants make my ass look fat?